Oh, hi, Piper. Are you being a loaf and getting some sun at the same time in your spa? That looks pretty nice. I see the sun on your back. Yeah. Oh, you seem pretty relaxed. You're awfully cute. You are. Look at those eyes. You just look snuggly sitting there. You just do. Yeah. Oh, dear. Somebody's tired again. Okay. Well, you can just look out the window. You don't have to entertain me. No, I just like watching you. Oh, look at that sweetness. Oh my, another one. Oh, what do you see out there, huh? What do you see out there? Oh, might as well get a little cleaning in, huh? Yeah, okay. Well, enjoy yourself in your spa.